it was a way of motivating my children that I did not have the opportunity to do that, but I have the capacity to do it. It was very difficult. That language is very, very difficult. And then after graduating, I said, okay, I've done the degree. And then I went on to register to do my MPhil at the university here. And then I went on to register to do my MPhil at the university here. I did it. So my topic was the changing social structure and functions of the family. Changing social structure and functions of the family. Changing social structure and functions of the family. The emergence of children's homes. 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 So I did this also to encourage.
Moving on to our next story, Zimbabwe First Lady Grace Mugabe said nobody will stop her from going up the ladder in the ruling ZANU-PF party structure. She further said all those against her success would have to kill her to stop her.
Zimbabwe First Lady Grace Mugabe says nobody will stop her from going up the ladder in the ZANU-PF party structure, and all those against her success should kill her to stop her. Grace, who is also the ZANU-PF Women's League chairperson, said this while addressing the ZANU-PF party rally in the old suburb of Mbare in Harare today.
Let me tell you, you are not going to peg me. I have my mouth. You can only silence me by shooting me and killing me. You are not going to silence me.
In terms of the former vice president, we really, we behaved like adults. We did not want to say, because she's saying this, she's doing that, also go public and start talking about these things, because we didn't think that was the best way to solve, problems in our party. She had a faction which was working against the president, and we had only one president elected and only one cent of power. And she was now making her own, clique with people who were following her and worshipping her. And